Hey, my beautiful friends. Today we're back in the garden, so y'all come along and let's see what we get up to today. But first, this video's scripture. Nevertheless, he left himself not without witness, in that he did good and gave us rain from heaven and fruitful seasons, filling our hearts with food and gladness. Okay, friends, we're about to plant 2 tomato plants, and right off the bat, I already know it's Betty and Wilma.
Not using my new skill saw. What's going on here? People are going to want to know why. Do you not like Ryobi? Huh? I couldn't hear you, babe. Tough.
That big barrel or garbage can of soil that I'm pulling from and putting here is actually from a Tennessee farm, cow pasture land. And it's some good old Tennessee dirt. David brought it over for me to help me kind of cut cost on soil, to be honest. A few health benefits of eating tomatoes are that it eases inflammation in your body, boosts to the immune system, and lowering cholesterol levels, and keeps the blood from clotting, and all of that helps reduce the risk of stroke. So I always am interested in this natural, what things we can do in our diet first before pills and medication. What's that saying? An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And so it starts with our nutrition and making better choices. And you're going to see me on here sometimes eating ice cream, and sometimes you'll look in my cart and all it's going to be is vegetables in my grocery cart. You know, I'm half and half, and I'm walking the steps towards just doing better. And I'd like to kind of get to where I'm either 80 or 90% that lifestyle. And then yes, I'm a human, and I have to have certain things, or I choose to have those creature comforts and things that I like. Okay, y'all, this is Gertrude, and she's in the infirmary, would say, and I sort of plucked her, and that's her main stem right there. I'm trying to bring her back. I kind of think she needs an IV. She's on life support. Y'all please put her on the prayer list. I went ahead and broke the main stem down to maybe an inch and a half. I mean, I'm just like, she's really just barely hanging on. We're going for it. Up next, guys, we have our spicy peppers. I have an Anaheim chili pepper, which is kind of a mild pepper, and then jalapeno pepper, which I think is a hot pepper. You know, I don't know. You tell me in the comments. Do you think it's hot? Can you handle it? I really need to get those library books on gardening. I'm hoping this method is okay. It's the way that I've seen like my older relatives do their plants, pinch it off and it'll grow better, it'll get healthier is what they would say. Here I planted some dill. Y'all tell me in the comments if you know where the Boo Radley name came from. Meet Fred and Barney, guys. Here's our bell pepper. It's two different types. It's a Big Bertha bell pepper, and I don't remember the other one.
Hi, SpongeBob.
Here I've planted some catnip, and I was kind of wondering, does that make cats high? Is it like weed, kitty weed? Well, I asked Goo Goo because I was nosy or curious like a cat or just nosy. But anyway, I asked the side effects for when a cat has catnip, the exposure to catnip, and this is what I found. Well, first of all, when sniffing, so that made me think, okay, well, sniffing, so is there other ways that they ingest this? I guess we'll just leave that there and look at the side effects. Rolling, jumping, purring, head rubbing, head shaking, drooling, vocalizations, and aggression. Archer, what have you been getting into? We may do like a little weird science experiment when this catnip is ready and try it out on the cats. Do you think I'll get reported to PETA? Thanks for coming, my friends. Be on the lookout for the next episode of Lula's Container Garden. Lela out.